Hi there, it's Thomas George, and I just wanted to make this quick video to talk about some DIY music video tips. So this could be for YouTube or any other platform, but realistically, most of these videos are going to be on YouTube. In this day and age, a lot of people, if they want to hear music, they will actually search on YouTube. So obviously you want the streaming platforms such as Spotify, Amazon Music, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, YouTube is super important as well. So I'm just going to go through some little tips that should hopefully help you if you want to make any videos for YouTube. So the first one is really just get started. Start making videos. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to get the most fancy camera. You don't have to hire the best director in the area. Just get started. You could take photos. You could use your iPhone. You could create a small little storyboard and follow that. And really, it just kind of let your audience know who you are. Add a bit of personality to your music as well, because obviously audibly we can hear the music, but if we have that visual element as well, it just kind of adds more stimulation. And a lot of people just want to watch YouTube videos. Even if they just want to hear the music, the video there can really help. So yeah, first of all, I would say just get started. Film with whatever you've got. Just take a load of photos, combine them together. Little video clips on your phone. There's a video called Can't Stand Me Now by the Libertines. I recommend checking that out. So most of that video, I think, is just old footage put together. It's like them playing live, filmed probably on a really kind of low budget camera, lots of photographs, but it really works well with the video. It doesn't have to be high budget. And if you do want to do this yourself, DIY music video tips, you will have to get some kind of video editing software. So iMovie, Windows Movie Maker, all the free ones, start with that. And then when you get a little bit more serious about it, you could always get Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, that kind of thing as well. But yeah, it's a lot to learn. You don't always have to do this yourself. There are websites such as Upwork and freelancer.com where you can actually hire people from all around the world to help you edit videos as well. Sometimes I might hire a freelancer to help me edit some certain videos. There is other things as well, such as music visualizers. You may have seen it in a lot of electronic dance music. You have kind of that circle in the middle a lot of the time, and when the kick drum hits, the spikes, there's a little image, and there's kind of the waves match up with the visuals, music visualizers. You can edit them yourself. I've done it myself in Adobe After Effects. You get a template, and then normally the person that designed the template will teach you how to kind of add your own logo, change the colors around, that kind of thing. Or you can hire a freelancer on the websites, like I said before, Upwork, Freelancer, and they can edit in Adobe After Effects if you don't want to edit in After Effects. Another thing I recommend is, if you want to take this a bit more seriously, is either A, learn about video production, or B, hire a director in the local area. There's loads of people just starting out who want to get in the kind of a videography, directing scene. So you can find people quite cheap, not that expensive to make a music video for you. Even if you've got a university in your town, you could get a student to help make your music video. A lot of these students will do it for free or very cheap, just to get experience and just to kind of add it to their CV or their portfolio. So yeah, you could always try different film schools. If they put an ad up at the university, and just hire a local student or a local starting videographer to help you make your music video fast and cheaply, yeah. But a lot of it is just doing it, putting it out there, and just thinking about your music as a visual element as well. Ideally, you want kind of a storyboard, and then, yeah, you can have the story or the visuals match your music as well. And you will get some, there is some really amazing music videos out there as well. So also recommend having a look at some music videos that you really like, some of your most favorite music videos, and kind of get inspiration ideas from them. Obviously don't copy them, but have a look, think, why do you like this music video so well? Look at the angles, look at the storyline, look at the kind of vibe it's creating, and think, how can you create something similar to that, but will match your music as well. So that's just some tips for anyone who wants to start getting into video. So even if you're a musician, a producer, an artist, YouTube videos, really important in this day and age. Obviously, you might just want to concentrate on your craft, just on your music or whatever it is. So you could always hire other people to help you do this as well. But I recommend finding local directors in your town, and also using some freelancer sites if you're not comfortable at video editing, or just give it a go, learn it, but it's just more stuff to learn. And sometimes we don't always have time to do everything ourselves. So I hope you found this little video useful. If you have, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe to this channel, and I'll talk to you soon.